I'm Thomas Osborn, Creative Director for TIGI Americas. So this is the look I've done for the new Bedhead campaign. We started off by applying Ego Boost and Small Talk as our cutting lotion. So we started the haircut at the back. From a radial part, we took 2 diagonal back partings down to the occipital bone. Started with a profile guide and worked straight out from the crown, just point cutting and layering square off the round of the head. From there, we took sections that pivoted off the occipital bone and over-directed into that profile, so we maintained length and weight toward the perimeter. In front of the radial, we worked off the top of the head shape, again continuing those diagonal back sections to isolate a diamond-shaped sectioning pattern through the top. Working square off the top and over-directing sections that pivoted off the front into the center. Once the interior was completed, we started to work the detail in the perimeter around the face. Isolated the fringe, layered through, working squarely off the hairline. Once the fringe was completed, we took the side panels, over-directed them slightly forward at a low elevation, and sliced to blend from the corner of the fringe through to the jawline. From there, we blow-dried through with our hands, and finally with a round brush to detail the edges and to set the movement. Taking the nozzle on the dryer and buckling the texture to create interest and movement. Finally, finishing the look with a bit of head rush for shine and separation.